Okay, so with the expulsion of with the expulsion of the Jews in from Palestine by the Roman Empire, as I said, Jews were dispersed throughout the Middle East and Europe, and the Mediterranean. And as I said, many Europeans considered them outsiders, having come in and not necessarily having a tie to a quote homeland, which was really big for Europeans especially during the 16 and 1700s and 1800s, when nationalism was becoming a thing. So as nationalism, which is pride in your country, became more and more of a trend in Europe, Jews in some places were considered outsiders, having not had a long history in Europe compared to others. I'm talking hundreds of years. So they were seen as outsiders by some, and there were lots of efforts to target them, expel them from Europe, particularly in Spain during the Spanish Inquisition in 1492. But also there were lots of riots, or what we call pogroms, against Jews, particularly in Eastern Europe, in places like Poland and Russia. But throughout Europe, as you can see, there were many riots and violence against Jews, like I said, way before Hitler even came into existence.